like a cat or some kind of animal's been walking in the snow. Um, I'm warming up the truck, about to take the Jeep Commander. As you can see, it's real nasty out here. I gotta take my snow brush and get some of this snow off the truck. Get all this snow off. I don't like this on the truck because in New York, you know, if you're a New Yorker, especially upstate New York, I'm from New York City, so I don't have to worry about it really. Cars don't rust in New York City, but they sure as hell do rust upstate New York. And even though I'm from New York City, I'm upstate New York. So I gotta deal with this situation. So, get all of this snow off. As you see. Oh man. It's too much damn snow. Man, that's why I gotta take a trip to Texas, cause I be watching some of my favorite YouTubers. Y'all know who y'all are, Life of Corey. He doesn't know me, but I watch him. I'm a fan of his. And when I see his videos, the weather just be so nice. So sometimes, I love New York, don't get me wrong. You know, I'm born and raised in New York. But sometimes it just, when you look at the way the weather in other people's, you know, states and cities, it makes you kind of jealous. Because they get the good weather while we get the bad weather. So, get this ice off the blades. I got some all white 26s for this. Thinking about putting 28s, but that might be a little extreme. But I definitely have some 26s, and I also have black and white 24s. Comment below, let me know what you think, what you would put on here if this was your whip. It's crazy, man, this weather, man. We got my Toyota over here. Look at all this snow on my Toyota. Oh, man. Good thing I got my other car in the garage. Oh, man. This weather is just... This is what we get. While they get the nice weather. Comment below. Let me know where your state is at. And how's the weather right now in January in the state you live in. Get all this stuff off the window. I got this car from Philly, so you see it's a Philly inspection. Oh, man. I pay for a lot of insurance, y'all, having so many cars. And also, you got to deal with a lot of maintenance when you have so many cars. But I'm up for the task because I love cars. Like the YouTuber I watch, Omi and the Hellcat. I want as many cars as he got. Realistically, I ain't rich though like him, so realistically, I settle for about 10. Yes, you heard me say it. 10 cars, your boy, the humble hustler. I settle, maybe even 12. What you think, 10 or 12? Think I should have 12 cars or 10? I don't know if you see my tent is messed up. I even though the weather sucks, there's a lot of money in New York. So if I do move, I would still keep my house here in New York. I wouldn't get rid of my house in New York just in case I ever visit New York or I decide to come to New York. Snow all over the window. So I know you're probably thinking this is crazy. All this damn snow. Okay. So this is crazy, folks. It's all the snow we dealing with. And also, let me do a review on this. So as you can see, just to give you a little idea, this is my Jeep Commander. Got it on a good deal, thanks to my boy G Money. You heard? You know who you are. Shout out to you. But the plan is to turn this into one of the hottest Jeeps Commanders that you can have. It has a third row seat. So I have a lot of plans. There's going to be a lot of TVs in this car. There's going to be painting being done because it has a rust. The cool thing is that it only has rust in the piece of the door. As you see right here, it's only a little rust in a piece of the door, which I'm going to have sanded down and painted. But there's no actual rust on the outside of the body whatsoever. It has gray interior. It's great in the snow. It's a real bully on the road. I love it. So I'm going to put TVs all in here. The gas cost me about $40 to fill the tank. Not bad. 6-cylinder. I'm going to have about 2 TVs you're going to see in the next 2 months that are going to be installed in the sun visor TVs. That'll be 2. I'll have 2 TVs. These 2 headrests will be TVs. That'll be 4. These 2 headrests will be TVs. That'll be 6. And then I'm going to have one in the center, which will be 7 TVs. Okay? And I'll have one on the ceiling that comes down. That'll be 8 TVs. So this will have 8 TVs along with some really nice rims. Let me turn on the lights. I have really bright HIDs installed on here. You see I got all of the Jeep interior. See, you can't have a Jeep without the Jeep interior, folks. You know what I mean? So I got the headlights on. Show you the back. All of this is going to be like, some of this is going to be chrome trimming. But it's going to be really nice. Got the snow tires already on there. Got them Dynapro ATMs. The rain guards. As you see, there's no rust. Pretty cool truck. So, as you see, we got the HIDs. These are really, really bright at night. And I'm just showing you how this truck looks now. This is the before. And like I said, we in January. But by the end of February, March, because my birthday is in March, by February, you're going to see the ending result. Because I'll have this car fixed up definitely by then. As well as my Toyota will be done in March sometime. And my Pontiac will be done in April. And the only thing I haven't done to the Pontiac is having it supercharged. You already know what's inside of the garage. The caddy's in there, and I have another secret inside of the other garage. So I'm not playing, folks. Like I said, I love cars. It's your boy, the Humble Hustler. Let me get this snow off my shoe. All right. Okay, so it's basically what goes on. Let me cut these wipers on in the back. As you see, I got my window wipers on in the back of the car. You know what I mean? That's what I do. And you see it. Now I'm gonna turn them on in the front. Very good neighborhood. And it's just snowing like crazy out here. Oh man. I'm just trying to get all my stuff done now to get it out the way. You know what I mean? Definitely get it out the way. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna run the Wally World. For those of you who don't know what Wally World is, it's what snowy Saturday. And got to get back, eat some breakfast. Right now, I'm adopting a kid. I'm adopting my sister's kid. She's having problems right now, and she got to get her life together, as we all have problems sometimes. And because of that, I took temporary custody of my niece, who you'll see in a lot of videos that I'm gonna be doing in the future. I'm only gonna have her temporarily, unless of course she never gets her life together, but I really recommend she does, you know, because every child should be with their moms. So other than that, I'm just hanging in there. Make sure y'all look forward as far as the merch. As I told you guys, we got the shirts. In a previous video, I wanted $45 a shirt. I dropped the price down now to just $32 a shirt. $32 a shirt. I also got face masks to protect you from the corona. We call them the Humble Hustler face mask. Make sure you get those. I also got socks coming. I have area rugs coming for your house. Very nice things, you know. Very nice things on the horizon. Matter of fact, I could shoot this way. I don't feel like waiting at this light. So, Also, just to let y'all know, a sidebar, I have a People's Choice private ride opening up. Me and my brother, N.O., who you've seen in a lot of videos. That company will be open in May. And we have the landscaping as well as the construction company. It's kind of natural for me to get involved with this, especially being that I'm a very ambitious person. You know what I'm saying? I don't believe in waiting to get rich or hoping to get rich. I believe in doing a series of different activities that are legal and not illegal. Understand what I'm saying? I believe in doing a bunch of different activities that are legal to diversify my income, and within the next 5 to 10 years, I would even say 5, I'll be very comfortable. In 10 years from now, I'll probably be very wealthy. But if my YouTube takes off within the next year and a half to 2 so far. I've had my channel for about, I would say, 6 months. So I don't have a lot of subscribers. I don't even have 100 subscribers. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But that don't make me or break me. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I just know a lot of people don't know about me. Soon a lot of people will know about me. Believe that. And it's all good, man. So I'm gonna stop talking, cause I said what I wanted to say, and I'm just gonna keep cruising. But as I said in another video, don't get yourself wrapped up on all of this. Don't get yourself wrapped up in the Black Lives Matter situation. You know what I mean? All lives matter to me. I don't care who you are. If somebody rob you or hurt you, your life matters. You know, I'm a black person, but I just feel like black lives only matters when a white man kills a black person, or anybody who's not black kills somebody. But you see black people kill black people all day, every day. Every day. There's nobody marching because of it. So why they don't scream Black Lives Matter when a black person kills another black person? But they only protest and scream it if they think a white person has something to do with it. To me, that's backwards. Every life matters. Anytime somebody gets killed, that shit matters. No matter what color they are, where they from, what country, what religion, who the hell they pray to. They could pray to a cardboard box. It don't matter. And that cardboard box obviously is important to them. It was important enough for them to pray to it. Fat people pray to refrigerators. I mean, I'm just playing. Maybe they all don't pray to refrigerators, but I'm saying though, you know, just making a point. So it's just stupid. I'm black and I love being black. I'm black and I'm proud. But all lives matter, not just black lives. So I don't agree with that. And I'll be damned if I'm gonna march, do a racist march, because it's a racist march saying Black Lives Matter, because I'm basically proving that I'm racist. When if I'm out there marching saying Black Lives Matter, I'm basically willingly letting people know that I am a racist and I don't care about nobody else but blacks. And only black lives matter to me. Not white lives, not Spanish lives, not Chinese lives, Arabic lives, Indian lives, none of that shit. Only black lives matter, because this is what I'm out there talking about. So a lot of people are confused. And what's so messed up about it, you even got people of other races, white people, out there fighting and throwing tear gas and marching and cursing and calling the police pigs and yelling Black Lives Matter, but they forgot that they're white. They done already got sucked into this bull crap that's going on, man. So that's just my opinion on this. I know nobody cares about my opinion. Maybe some of y'all do. But even if nobody care about my opinion, it's still my opinion. I'm just a young black guy trying to get on, trying to make some money, trying to take care of my children and live comfortable. Yeah, we had a hard life in the past. I wasn't born for it. Yeah, my ancestors was in slavery, but I wasn't in slavery. And whenever I was in slavery, as far as going to jail, it's because I put myself there. I made a decision to do what I did. I knew I would get caught. I did not care because I was having fun and I was just running the streets. The white man didn't put me in jail. I put myself in jail. The white man didn't stick me to a glue trap. No, I put myself there. I went out and smoked weed. I went out and got caught. I went out and did whatever I did. So when I got arrested and I got locked up, I never sat there and blamed the white man or the Chinese man. I never said, yo, these fucking pigs is hating on me. Nah, I'm hating on me. Who do I trust? Me. So if I put myself in a situation, it's because I did that. So I deserve everything that comes from that. You make your bed, you lay in it. And in some cases, you get that bitch made over. You feel me? So it is what it is, man. I'm here now. I just was bored, so I was just rambling on, talking to you guys. Trying to do as many videos as I can, keep y'all up to date on whatever's happening or whatever I'm trying to do. Maybe y'all got ideas. I mean, the snowflakes out here is serious. It's serious. You know what I mean? And that could go two ways. It could be weather or it could be the other. Y'all know what snowflakes are. Okay. So, as you see, it's packed. We over here at Walmart now. It's crazy. But I'm gonna go back up in there and I'm gonna holler at you guys when I get done. Um, just stay tuned for what's about to happen, cause I'm gonna do it to the best of my ability, whether I got a lot of Facebook subscribers or I don't. I'm gonna just keep doing what I do just because I love doing it. Like I said before, I always wanted to be a movie director, so it is what it is, man. Thank y'all. Peace, and I'ma holla at y'all. One.